Hello students, welcome to iExam B. My name is Anshul Malik and I am your reasoning mentor. जैसा कि आपको पता है कि क्रिटिकल रीजनिंग, अगर मैं GIC-AM की बात करूं तो हाई ऑर्डर क्रिटिकल रीजनिंग का बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस है, जो कि LIC-AAO में भी पूछा जाता है। तो आज के इस सेशन में हम क्रिटिकल रीजनिंग को टारगेट करेंगे और हम देखेंगे कि किस तरीके से हम इस सेक्शन में अच्छा स्कोर कर सकते हैं। स्टूडेंट्स, मैं आप सभी से रिकमेंड करूंगा कि आपको सबसे पहले अपने लेवल को चेक करना है, और लेवल को चेक करने का सबसे आसान तरीका है मॉक टेस्ट अटेम्प्ट करना। और आपको iExam भी फ्री मॉक टेस्ट आपको देता है। तो आप क्या करें, GIC और LIC के जितने भी फ्री मॉक टेस्ट हैं उन सभी को आप अटेम्प्ट कीजिए इन ऑर्डर टू चेक योर लेवल। एक बार आपकी स्ट्रेंथ और वीकनेस आइडेंटिफाई हो जाएंगे, तब आपको अपनी प्रिपरेशन स्ट्रैटेजी बनाने में आपको आसानी होने वाली है एंड आपको पता चल जाएगा कि आपको किस टॉपिक पे ज़्यादा फोकस करने की ज़रूरत है। एंड अगर आपको लगता है कि आपको iExam B के मेंटर्स की ज़रूरत है, उनकी हेल्प की या उनके गाइडेंस की ज़रूरत है, तो आप हमारे GIC और LIC के ऑनलाइन कोर्स में एनरोल कर सकते हैं। अभी फ्लैट 25% ऑफ चल रहा है इन दोनों कोर्सेज पे। बस आपको कोड यूज़ करने की ज़रूरत है GET25, तो आप इस ऑफ़र के लिए एलिजिबल हो जाएंगे।
Let us now read the next statement. Should national anthem be played before movies in the theater? Your first argument is yes, this is the only way to show your love for motherland. Your second argument is no, each individual should have right to do what they want. So if you focus on your argument number 1, it is not strong due to the word only. So it's not a strong argument. However, if you focus on your argument number 2, it is also not strong because it is baseless, and hence both argument does not follows, and hence the correct answer for this particular question is option number 4. Let us now read the next statement. In a first time study, it has been found that lead content in crockery is well beyond the permissible limits. Your first argument is, since Indian food is normally hot and acidic, there is a greater risk of leaching of lead into the food, and hence the use of the crockery should be minimized. So if we focus on this argument, this situation is practical and logically suits with the statement, and hence this argument is strong. Let us read the next argument. There is no need to be scared of, as lead poisoning is the least covered in the field of toxicity, and such study has been done for the first time. So this is not practical at all, because we know that lead content in the crockery is well beyond the permissible limits. So this argument is weak, and hence the correct answer for this particular question is option number 1. Let us now read the next statement. Is reservation for women in lower house of the Parliament of India, the Lok Sabha, and in all state legislative assemblies justified? So two arguments are given basis on your statement. Your first argument is yes, this is the only step to increase the women participation in politics. Your second argument is no, reservation for women would lead to election of proxies for husband, brother, relatives of the woman candidate getting elected. So if you focus on the argument, your argument number 1 is not at all strong, because this is not the only way to increase women participation in politics. However, your argument number 2 is strong, thus your option number 2 is correct. Let us now read the next statement. The installation of energy efficient pump sets should be mandatory for both domestic and commercial purposes. Your first argument is installation of energy efficient pump sets will lead to energy saving to the tune of 30%, And your second argument is the old irrigation pump sets cost between 20,000 to 25,000 against the price of energy efficient pump sets ranging between 35,000 to 40,000. So if you focus on your second argument, it is clearly weak. It cannot be inferred from the statement. Thus, your argument number second is weak. However, if you focus on argument number first, it touches the practicality of the statement, and hence argument first is strong. Hence, the correct answer for this particular question is option number 1. Your next statement is, should the Department of Primary and Secondary Education urge the school management to monitor the social media accounts of the students? So your two argument is given over here. First one is, no, the school should not be mandated to monitor the social media accounts of the students. Rather, students should be strictly denied access to social media. Second, yes, the monitoring of social media accounts of student is must to ensure that harmful effects of the social media are curbed. Now, if you think practically, school should not be allowed to monitor the social media account. So your first argument is very strong because it touches the real aspects of the life. So your first argument is strong, and second argument is weak because monitoring of social media accounts of the student is not the only solution in order to curb the harmful effects of the social media. So your second argument is weak, and hence the correct answer for this particular question is option number 1. Let us now read the next statement. More than 50 accredited social health activists have been requested municipality to offer them I-cards. Your first argument is, the social health activists work on voluntary and ad hoc basis, and hence providing them with ID card is not a feasible option. Your second argument is, when the social health activists visit houses for immunization, they are rudely questioned by the resident, and having an I card will provide them credibility. So for the people to believe in the social health activists, ID card are important as they will provide credibility. Hence your argument number second is strong and argument number first is weak, and hence the correct answer for this particular question is option number 2. Let us now read the next statement. Should all the industries in big cities be relocated at the outskirts of them in order to prevent industrial pollution? Based on the statement, you have been given two arguments. Let us read one by one. First argument is, no, transfer of industries is going to cost more. So clearly this is a weak argument because there is nowhere mention about the price of the transfer of industry. So clearly it's a weak argument. Let us now read the second argument. Second argument is, yes, the effect of industrial pollution are far reaching and liable to affect the ecosystem for many years to come. Most industry require large amount of water for work. When involved in series of process, the water comes into contact with the heavy metal, harmful chemical, radioactive waste, and even organic sludge. So if you talk about this argument is clearly strong because it clearly shows the impact of industrial pollution, and hence this argument is strong, and your option number 2 is correct. Let us now read the next statement. Should India encourage one child policy when our population is increasing day by day? Your first argument is, yes, we have to control our population and this is the only way. Your second argument is, no, people are not interested in one child policy. So if you focus on your first argument, it does not present a clear reason for population control, and hence your first argument is weak. However, if you focus on your second argument, it is also weak because this is baseless statement. Hence, your both argument does not hold according to the statement, and hence the correct answer for this particular question is option number 4. Let us read the statement of the first question. Should the fees of the engineering courses be increased by 10%? Your first argument is yes, the fee should be increased as it would be beneficial for the engineering college. Your second argument is no, the fees should not be increased as it would be disadvantage to the children of low income families wanting to pursue engineering courses. You know that your strong argument are those which are both important and directly affect and relate to the question. However, weak argument are those which are of minor importance. So, benefiting the engineering college is of minor importance over here. So, your argument 1 is not strong, it's a weak argument. However, the argument second is very strong because fees should not be increased as it is disadvantage to the children of lower income families. So, your second argument is strong, and hence the correct answer for this particular question is option number 2. Let us now read the next statement. Should children be prevented completely from using the social media? Based on this statement, two arguments are given to you. First argument is no, they get connected with the other people through social media. And second argument is yes, it hampers their studies. So, you know that children should not be completely prevented from using social media because it is a medium to connect people and it does not hamper the studies of the children if it is used according to the schedule. So, your argument second is weak, but argument first is strong and it is logically and practically to the given statement, and hence option number 1 is correct. Let us now read the next statement. Should there be a complete ban on extracurricular activities in college? Your first argument is no, there is nothing wrong in participating in extracurricular activities in college. Second argument is yes, students are giving their more time to extracurricular activities in the college. So, argument first is weak because it lacks a proper reason. However, your argument second explains the reason for a ban on extracurricular activities. So, argument number second is strong, first is weak. So, your correct answer for this particular question is option number 2.
स्टूडेंट्स, ख़त्म करने से पहले मैं आपको कुछ टिप्स देना चाहता हूं। आपको पता है कि मॉक टेस्ट का किसी भी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम को क्लियर करने में बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल होता है। तो अगर आप किसी भी एग्ज़ाम को टारगेट कर रहे हैं और उसके मॉक टेस्ट देना चाहते हैं तो आप iExamB वेबसाइट पर विज़िट कर सकते हैं। आपको हर एक कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम का जो मॉक टेस्ट है वो यहाँ पर फ्री में प्रोवाइड किया जाता है। वी हैव 1000+ मॉक टेस्ट, तो आपको कहीं जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। आपको हर एक मॉक टेस्ट में क्वेश्चन का प्रॉपर सॉल्यूशन दिया जाएगा, एक्सपर्ट गाइडेंस भी प्रोवाइड की जाएगी। तो अगर आप मॉक टेस्ट देना चाहते हैं तो यू कैन डेफिनेटली विजिट आवर साइट एंड हैव अ लुक। साथ ही साथ जो आपको ये ऑनगोइंग पैंडमिक के चलते टाइम मिला है, क्योंकि मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द एग्ज़ाम्स आर गेटिंग पोस्टपोन्ड डे बाय डे, तो इसको हमें यूटिलाइज़ करना है, इसको हमें बिल्कुल भी वेस्ट नहीं करना है, इसको अपॉर्चुनिटी की तरह समझना है, क्योंकि इसी टाइम में हम अपनी तैयारी दुरुस्त करके किसी भी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम को क्लियर कर सकते हैं। तो अगर आप किसी भी बैंकिंग एग्ज़ाम को टारगेट कर रहे हैं और नियर फ्यूचर में उस एग्ज़ाम के लिए अपीयर होना चाहते हैं तो हमारे चैनल को आप सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि डेली हम बैंक रिलेटेड वीडियोस, कुछ नए टॉपिक्स, कुछ नए ट्रिक्स डालते रहते हैं हमारे चैनल पर और हम नहीं चाहते कि आप वो मिस आउट करें। So for more updates, you can definitely join our channel, like our video and share as much as possible. तो दोस्तों मैं आशा करता हूँ कि आपको आज का टॉपिक अच्छा लगा होगा एंड थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग आई एग्ज़ाम बी।